The popular indie game Undertale by Toby Fox is one of 2015's biggest hits. One of the features include letter-by-letter text, where a character adds one letter at a time to the text bubble. So how can we recreate this on Scratch? Start off by creating a new project on Scratch. I'm going to name mine Custom Text Display or Engine. Drag in a when green flag clicked block and copy what I'm doing. Done. Now with this script here, we can display text and progress after the space key is pressed. First, the Scratch Cat says hello. Then, after you press space, it says bye. Pretty simple. So how can we make Scratch Cat speak more like the characters in Undertale, where they add one letter to the text bubble at a time? Go to My Blocks and create a custom block. Type in say, click on Add an Input, type in text, and click on OK. Drag in a Repeat 10 block below the block you just created. Now go to Operators and drag in the Length Off block into the Repeat 10 block. Finally, drag in the red text variable from the Define Hat block and place it in the Length Off block. What this does is that if the text was hello, then the length of hello would be 5, because there are 5 letters in hello. Similarly, if the text you typed in was 6784, then the length would be 4, because there are 4 numbers. It's basically repeating the amount of characters you have in the text. Why does this matter? Because the way we will be displaying the text will be the previous characters plus the next letter. Now, go ahead and make a new variable. Call it hashtag. This variable will be important because it will tell us what letter we are on. Make another variable and call it text. Delete the 0 in the set text block to leave it blank. Let me just code in the next bit and explain it to you after. Follow along. Great. We've finished coding the say text block. The way this works is that Scratch Cat will join the previous text together with the next letter. Then it saves the newly generated text to the text variable and repeats the loop. So actually what Scratch Cat is doing is that it is saying H, then HE, then HEL, then HELL, HELLO, and finally HELLO exclamation mark to complete the loop. At the end, I added a wait until key space pressed block, meaning that after you press space, Scratch Cat clears everything by saying nothing, and thus allows it to say something else. Perfect! That's the basics for coding letter-by-letter text in Scratch. However, make sure to stick around so that we can add one last feature. If we drag in a wait 0.1 seconds block at the end of the loop, you'll notice that Scratch Cat will speak slower. This is because it is now only updating the text every 0.1 seconds, meaning that the speed that Scratch Cat speaks will be 10 letters per second, as it prints one letter every 0.1 seconds. So how can we take advantage of this? Right-click on the Define block and select Edit. Add a new label called With Duration, add a new input, call it Duration, and add a new label and call it In Between. Next, drag in the red duration variable from the block and place it into the wait 0.1 seconds block. What this does is that we can now control how fast Scratchcat speaks by typing in a value in the second blank. This may be useful if you want to create some effects and contrast. For example, one character might speak a bit faster, while an older character might speak slower. And that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Scratch videos.